Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have what you need: permissions on your account and the document visible on desktop. First, click the file once to select it so you avoid moving the wrong item. Next, right-click and choose Delete or press the Delete key. This moves it to recycle bin or trash rather than erasing it permanently. If you prefer dragging, grab the icon and drop it into the recycle bin. This is useful when you want an easy undo option. Make sure the bin icon changes to show the file landed there. Once the document is in recycle bin, decide if you want a recoverable step or complete removal. If permanent deletion is desired, empty the recycle bin or use Shift+Delete on that item. This bypasses the bin. If the file is synced to OneDrive or Dropbox, pause sync before deleting so the cloud copy won't reappear. For advanced control, open Command Prompt or Terminal and run del or rm with the exact desktop path. This prevents GUI confusion and lets you confirm the correct. Now finish by emptying the recycle bin or securely wiping the file if it contained sensitive information. Secure delete tools overwrite the data so it can't be recovered. Make sure any desktop sync clients have completed operations so the file doesn't reappear from the cloud. If deletion fails, a common fix is to close the program holding the file or sign out of apps, then check file permissions and retry as an administrator. If problems persist, reboot and try again. That usually releases locks and allows removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.